Welcome to The Power of Manifestation, Turning Dreams into Reality. In this video, we will explore the fascinating concept of manifestation and how it can transform your life. Manifestation is the process of bringing your desires and intentions into reality through focused thought, belief, and inspired action. It's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with what you want to create in your life. There are many manifestation techniques to help you in manifesting your desires. In this video, I will give you a brief introduction to manifestation and some of its techniques. I will make a series of videos to help you start your manifestation journey. Comment what you're manifesting and I will help you achieve it. As I said before, manifestation is all about your belief that you deserve what you desire and make it a reality. You may get confused about different manifestation techniques and which one to use. I'll make it easier for you. Everyone is a unique person. Everyone has different belief system with which they grew up. See what works for you and stick to them to manifest your desires. The most popular manifestation techniques are affirmations, visualization, 333 or 555 method, 369 method, scripting, journaling, etc. I will explain about every method in separate videos. Personally, I use different techniques for my desires depending on my state of mind, the time required to manifest and my circumstances. Sometimes, I use combination of techniques. Whatever technique you follow, the main goal is to believe that the desire is manifested, that the desire comes into reality. There are no set rules for manifestation. You can follow anything you want as long as you're enjoying it. It should make you feel happy. It should make you feel closer to your desire. We cannot change years of belief system in one day. So start with small things. If you're doubtful, start with manifesting things like seeing a butterfly, seeing a rainbow, which are not very important to you because you are not attached to these things. Even if they don't show up, you're not disappointed. This teaches you letting go, which is very important part in manifestation. It shows you're manifesting from a mindset of abundance, not from a state of lack mindset. This way, when you're not attached to your desire, it's easier for the universe to manifest your desire easily and effortlessly. When you are attached to your desire, it shows your state of lack mindset, which means you're still waiting for the desire to come into reality, which in turn means you don't believe that your desire is manifested. It is very important to believe that your desire is your 3D reality. It is important for you to believe that you are living your desire in the present moment. You may face unwanted circumstances and find it difficult to focus on your manifestation. When you face such circumstances, simply shift your focus to something that makes you feel good or happy, like listening to your favorite song, eating your favorite food, meeting your favorite person, going to a nice place, etc. This instantly lifts your mood and puts you in high vibration. Remember, manifestation is easy when you are feeling good and happy. You want to manifest something because it makes you happy. But manifestation works the opposite way. You have to be happy to manifest your desires. Always think good about yourself. Think good thoughts and you will attract more good thoughts. Get rid of jealousy, hate, sad and nervous feelings. Replace them with abundance, happy and excitement. There is enough for everyone. Manifestation is not a destination. It's a journey. Now, how to manifest? The most important thing to remember when manifesting is leaving the how part to universe or God, because it's not really your job. Your job is to desire what you want and feel good about it. Universe will take care of how it's done. And that's the most beautiful part. There are numerous ways to get you to your desired reality. It always amazes me how the universe rearranges everything to get me my desired reality. It's the surprise part. You will be amazed if you leave it to the universe. Don't try to control the circumstances. Don't try to control your situations. Don't try to change your desire when your circumstances change. Have an unwavering faith that no matter what the circumstances are, you will get your desire. Belief is the foundation of manifestation. The stronger your belief, the sooner you will get your desire. The simplest way to start your manifestation journey is to write your desire in present tense, feel happy about it, and have a strong belief that it is already yours. If you can see it in mind, you can have it in your hands. I will explain about visualization in my next video. Subscribe to my channel for more such amazing content. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Share it to your friends who want to manifest their desires. Thanks for watching.